If you've ever had to justify a change approach to leadership, this is for you. The Researcher Agent helps you build credible, structured insights fast. Let's say I'm supporting the adoption of a new digital tool and I need to benchmark what good looks like outside our organisation. What I would do is open up the Researcher Agent, which is often found on the left-hand side. So in this instance, we're going to use this prompt: compare digital adoption challenges in rail with banking and retail. Summarize risks and opportunities for business change. Give me a leadership style briefing. We're not going to use any sources in this instance, but just to show you, you can add any work content, files, and cloud documentations, as well as any sources for your research. We're just going to do a quick demo. Right away, Researcher is just evaluating what I've asked. I see you want a leadership briefing comparison of digital adoption challenges in rail versus banking and retail, highlighting risks and opportunities for business change. To make sure I cover exactly what you need, context and audience is aimed at senior civil service, rail executive leadership, for example, or generic industry leadership audience. Scope: should the rail perspective focus on UK rail specifically, DFT, TOCs, network rail type environment, or global rail? And emphasis: do you want the briefing to lean more towards delivery risks and change fatigue, or strategic opportunities and transformation narrative? Or just say go ahead and I'll use my best judgment. In this instance, we're just going to say go ahead, and I'm going to say I want a short 1 to 5 pages summary for the sake of this tutorial. So here you can see the output from my prompt. It's given me a very good overview of digital adoption challenges in rail versus banking versus retail, a leadership briefing. It split it up into rail, banking and retail sections, cross-sector digital adoption, key dimensions, which is fantastic. All this great information. Top business change risks in digital adoption, talking about delivery and return of investment risks, operational resilience, major opportunities for digital transformation, and a conclusion. So as you can see, it's given me great information. I'm now going to ask Copilot to turn this into an infographic style summary and a 1-page briefing. This can take quite some time to compile. However, Copilot has given me a great infographic style summary and a table, and a 1-page leadership briefing: risks and opportunities in digital adoption. If I go here, here's a lovely infographic. I think Copilot's done a wonderful job here of giving me the information that I've required. So this is how you go from "I think" to "here's the evidence" without spending hours of Googling. Thanks, Copilot. You've clearly saved me days, if not weeks, of work and research. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also join the mailing list at www.techbiztoolkit.com.